Hello viewers. In the last lecture we concluded our lecture uh, on this topic, which was about applications of artificial neural networks. Now we will discuss image recognition using decision rule and classifier. Is it possible to formulate and formalize the decision rule, using which we can classify or recognize our objects basing on the selected features? As you can see, there are two figures in this slide. One is for rabbit and second is for lion. So we want to design a classifier by which we can classify whether the animal in the picture is a lion or a rabbit. For this purpose we will extract some features, for example the color of the animals and the size and shape, ear sizes and other dimensions, by which our neural network can recognize whether the animal in the image or picture is lion or rabbit. So we use decision rule for a classifier to train for recognition of images. Can you propose the rule using which we can definitely decide is it a tiger or a rabbit? So this scope is not limited only to the tiger or rabbit, but there may be any animal in the figure for which we can train our model what type of animal or what type of classifier is it. Next, image recognition, decision rule and classifier. Once we know our decision rule, it is not difficult to develop a classifier which will perform classification or recognition using the selected features and the decision rule. Decision rule means what are the features for a rabbit or a lion. On the basis of these rules we will classify the image. However, if the decision rule cannot be formulated and formalized, we should use a classifier which can develop the rule from the learning process. In fact, if we don't have any specific rule by which we can train our model, then we will use classifier. Classifier will learn on its own by the experience, and we will train our model till it can classify the all types of images in a figure. In the most of recognition classification problems, the formalization of the decision rule is very complicated or impossible at all. A neural network is a tool which can accumulate knowledge from the learning process. After the learning process, a neural network is able to approximate a function which is supposed to be our decision rule. So it is the property of a neural network that it can learn by the experience or by the inputs and the reference outputs given to a neural network, and when the learning process of a neural network is complete, then we can use it as a classifier in different applications easily. Why neural network? So in the next video hopefully we will discuss why the neural network is important and why we should use it for train our neural networks. And thanks for watching the video, and please share it with your friends and colleagues, and let me know if you have any query in the comment box. And have a nice day.